Did too.
Learning. They who busy. Kinarinje. Go hot. Who busy? Anyway. Anyway. Guys, I don't know if. Hi, Vince. How are you? Hi, Fixie. How are you? Good. I'm wondering if I should go to Pride. Rishap, when I'm good. I'm good, as you can see. I'm in a good mood. I did my hair. You know what? Yeah, but I'm happy. Aye, and good afternoon to the. Oh, it's already 1 o'clock. Anyways, who's going to Pride? Google? It's 7 minutes to 1. No, man. You're beautiful. Thank you. Guys, am I really beautiful? Kadala. Thank you. Mina, I'm undecided, Shem. Oh, you're undecided. Now, I want to go because they're gonna pay everything for me. They're gonna pay everything for me. Starting from Uber to alcohol to everything. And the ticket also. Because I'm not going to Pride. I'm going to after party. I might go to after party. Urobetse no komang cause kaba 12 no live. Kirobetse ka yo kaba for imagine. Yo, which after party? No, there's this after party. Let me show you. This is the after party, like Vele. I think this is the main after party. I think it's Komaboning or something. Not sure, but ilabon. So I don't know what to do. So uzuhile no komang. I woke up early, and then I slept again. I woke up, I slept again. Okay. How about I curl my hair? I'm gonna curl my hair. Carry some extra money because you will never know. Nah, I don't play like that. I don't string that way. I always have money. So yeah. I always have money, man. I'm gonna act like I don't have money. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Can we meet up after the party? No. Nakwenu, meet up for in. Yo, I shouldn't have disclosed it, but anyways, I'll be there because I live. So, but now you guys know where to see me. Yaban. Chumi Jang Kachoko Ampur Kufita. Chumi, why only live? You're really school. I can school. I get nice simple let's. So can school. I knew it. You knew what? Happen out to request Tilene and I know Adam Wood. If you request Tile, cancel a request. I'm so sorry. Unless if you're hot. I hope I do bump into you if I go. Hopefully, I hope so too. I hope we bump into each other. Yeah. Tama, Maravinti. Lena if I go, cause I'm getting renege valeva rather rent. So yeah. Kita scream. Vince, no. Vince, let me tell you about me. I'm kind of shy, but I'm not shy when I'm tipsy. I'm not shy when I'm tipsy. But normally I'm gonna be like, hi. But hekili tipsy go, hi. Manzar. Yeah. Why are you not replying to me? I didn't see your comments, baby. I'm also shy, but not when I'm tipsy, okay? Yeah. But the thing is, I don't wanna go kid, and stuff. And should I put on makeup? Already gay, should I put on makeup? But I feel like I don't need no makeup. I just need like lashes, and then I'm good to go. Lashes, my lip liner, and then I'm good to go. Should I wear makeup or not? I'm just curious. Cause like undecided. Hey baby, hi Candace, how are you baby? And my phone is about to switch off. And I'm lazy to charge. No makeup. Yeah, I didn't get a Paul ne. Please, get a Paul. So smiley face ki makeup, crying face ki no makeup. Smiley face ki makeup, crying face ki no makeup. Makeup, no makeup. Makeup, no makeup. Makeup, no makeup. Makeup, no makeup. Kya Jubek pride, so you know like Jubek. Kind of smiley face ki makeup. Oh, okay. But I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna do soft. Cause I'm gonna party. And then I don't want my makeup to be melting. Okay? But like, let's continue. Makeup, no makeup. Makeup, no makeup. Makeup, no makeup. Makeup, no makeup. But makeup is winning. Is winning. Okay. Then keep it soft. Yeah. Definitely. Zwafune. Funakati. You better watch on your shindy. Shida. I was on your. Yeah, I feel like I'm more prettier without makeup. I feel like I'm more prettier without makeup because my facial features are. But makeup and makeup, I look too much like a doll. Like, who relates? Like, one papa too much, you become like papa too much. Like papa too much, and like that's too much. Like, like, man, no. Yeah, you've met a ring. Yeah, I've watched more pranks of you. Can you please prank my friend? Why is it saying gifting suspended? Bang. You're not deleting that video, right? I'm not. What if Korara Shinkai won the video? But it's not trending like my videos usually do. So it's a good thing. It's not a good thing, but it's a good thing. Who better watch and yashin this? Can't work. Lin I thought how kak. Chemi not so long ago get hokagamus. Chemi like buma 10 minutes ago get hokagamus. So better watch and yashin the should I was on ya shower and I don't think copper makeup. No. That's my final thoughts. My final decision. That video will and must remain there for months until first time joining here, you make a person laugh. So like oh, buy a donkey. Go in the life ka past me. better water, Nyash. Your voice. Thank you. Better water, Nyash. The spiritual wife video had me. Really? Fusek umsunuenja futsek lwena. Claudi bulele kamu. Claudi bulele mu. O bontsha o sa tlhapolo tlhapa. Bona profile picture. You show I'm sure you nigga wena.
Yebo.
I for text.
Hayi bo.
Like Ninja. Let me block this bitch. Jela gabi. Jela gabi.
Wathukana kanje kuseni.
No, you don't get it. Moto one time, one time, the comments, and I couldn't keep quiet this time. I've been keeping
Arini.
quiet, Shem.
Athini makakuthoma.
Athi awayibona le comment leyo ithi fusekh nginenja cabanga the dishes
Ayakusukela. Mblokhe vele.
yebo ngimblokile kudala Shem.
Akujwayela kabi.
How are you? Unjani?
Wenzani kanti?
Mina
Hey,
ngani?
like what are you doing for a living?
Wena wenzani for a living? Yo
Ngaphandle I'm a hustler.
Nami I'm a hustler.
Yo. Uhasila wenzani ke? Ngoba ziningi indlela zokuhasila.
Yo angizithandi izi-question zeso but ngi-makeup artist. I'm a makeup artist.
Oh. Wena ngizokuvakashela yazi.
Ufuna ungivakashela?
Hey. Nize nini?
Angazishela mina ukuthi wena ufuna uza nini.
Wena mawuzongithelela ipetrol.
Ungangihlanyeli. Yo ungangihlanyeli Shem. Vuli camera.
Isho okay ngizoyivula ngiphe 5 minutes ngisese business something.
5 minutes kunini. Yo.
Okay, 2 minutes.
Okay. 1 minute 59 minutes. Yeah. Seconds left.
And I think ngiyakwazi yazi.
Awungazi mina Shem. Awungazi.
Ayekho umuntu engingamazi la ku TikTok.
Ungazi laphi?
Awuhlala eValley.
Yo unganihlanyeli Shem. Yo unganihlanyeli.
Athi ungihlanyeli.
Bengicela ukuthi mina nawe singadelelani because mina ngihlala eValley. Valley. Ngihlanyeli Shem.
Uhlala laphi ye?
Ngihlala eSentheni.
Sentini?
Yes.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa.
Vili camera 2 minutes yakho iphelile.
Esha, yo angaqedi nokulungisa umbhedo.
Asinandaba ngombhedo.
Why ufuna ukungibona?
Because angazi umuntu ngiyokhuluma ngaye.
Uzomazi ke sengiyayivula. Ngisala ring light la, it's dark.
Awudingi ring light how wena?
Angeke ungibone emkhukhwini, phela ngisemkhukhwini.
Zingenaphi lezo? Zingenaphi lezo?
Ku dark la. Uzongivakashela kanjani ku dark kanje?
Vula buti like vula. Hey.
Right.
Yebo wena.
Ngishapha. Soyathula manje.
Yebo ngiyathula ufuna ngikhulume ngithini?
Bongithethisa, ngithethise ke.
Bawufuna ngikhulume ngithini?
Right,
Hawu.
bongithethisa.
Angifuni ukuthethisa uyangifasa.
Manje ngize nini?
Ngikhabelezi. Ngikhabelezi. Yo,
Ngize nini ngizokuvakashela?
bafuna ungivakashela.
Hayibo, umuntu omuhle kanje ufuna ngimvakashele phela. Ngize nini?
Wena ufuna uza nini?
Manje.
Iza manje ke.
Send location.
But awagezanga.
Ngizogeza lapha, yithi uhlala eSandton, so ngizogeza emashaweni.
Ngiyabona ukuthi ufakeli easy light LED light emkhukhweni wakho. Ngiyakubona shem. Indoda yakufihla.
Kulomkhukhu wami.
Uhlala nabani?
Ngihlala ngiyi-1, ngiqashile.
Yini ukuqasha?
Like I'm renting 2 rooms.
Oh.
Yes,
So
I'm renting 2 rooms.
ubadala ngani kodwa awusebenzi?
I told you I'm a hustler, mos.
Uhansela ngani?
Any job, even you can give me a job, I'll take it.
Wena uthengisa
Yini?
insuba wena. Khuluma iqiniso.
Man, ngiyihustler. Serious, I'm a hustler.
Khuluma
Ungangibuza
iqiniso.
ukuthi ngiyenzani, wayefuna ukwazi ukuthi ngiyenzani.
Ngiyayazi ngiyafuna kwazi vele.
Wayefuna ngiqeda nokuvuka, yo. Angeke
Like
usangiqonda.
indoda yakuvika lesikhathi leyo awayikhona.
Uzongiqoma nje sengivuka ngale ikhathi.
Ngizenzani?
Uzongiqoma.
Yini ukuqhama?
You'll be my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Just like that azange wanthatha ngedatini.
Ufuna ngikushele? Ufuna ngikhiphe for ama dates?
Wangizi out angazi wanithengile flowers.
Makuhlala eSandton wena ufuna bewuthengela mina ama-flower mos.
Yeah, Aisha. Ayisebenzi kanjalo bhuti.
Esebenza
Ayisebenzi
kanjani?
kanjalo shem.
Wena ufuna ukuthengela mina ama-flower.
Ayisebenzi kanjalo uzodraw ube uzikhalari.
Uyathanda i-strawberry?
Angithandi i-strawberry ngithanda imali.
Phela bengizokudlisa lapha ngibe romantic.
No, zangidlisa imali.
Hey, ufuna imali?
Yes.
Ikhona imali ukuthi nje thule angikasibhani yabona. This why ngifuna uklina la ngiqede le niyosebenza.
Sendile imali manje ke.
Yeah, mangiqeda ukusebenza maybe.
Manje. Mawuqeda usebenza?
Ungakwazi ukusendela ngizoqeda ngomani.
Isikhathi bani?
9 ebusuku ngithi ufuna ngiyogeza imoto.
Ebusuku?
Afuna ngisi imoto ekhawashi.
So mina ngiyemele ikusuku mina.
Mina ngizoqala ngabo 3 kuyosebenza ngithi.
Yeah, but this shame. But ngizayema shame.
Before ngikuphi imali ngifuna ngiqale ngikhiphe for a date.
You must keep me the money first so that I can come to your date. Cause also I need money for an outfit. I can't go to a date without an outfit. So you must send me money for an outfit.
Bese uyabaleka ngemali yami.
Angeke ngibaleke ngizobaleka la.
Ngikuthembe serious.
Bathong I mean hello.
Phela amantombazane ngiyawazi.
Mina ngikho njalo shem.
Uzosho kanjalo ukuthi awukho njalo. Once nje ngafaka imali uyamblock umuntu.
Yeah.
Athi ndona and cute yazi. Bathi cute yabo.
Bathini angikuzi?
Bathi cute.
Angizwanga baya ifuna yakho kahle.
Bathi cute.
Guys, can you guys hear me? Hear him?
Bathi ucute awunyizwa?
Baya le phone yakho kahle.
Hayi bo, injani phone yami? Injani ngani phone yami? Oh. Ngathi ungangishaya massage yazi.
Or take control of your listening with unlimited skips and repeats. Experience
Uyanyizwa?
without limits. Tap the banner to get started.
Ubani igama lakho vele? Yakhathi ifoni yalo muntu yazi. Awuna network. Ngiyazi bafethu ukhulekani hawo. Ayibuka tanibona ukuthi kudlala ngaye hawo. Hawu nyazi ula. Dala lo muntu yimfollower lo ngwabukela ama live akhe. Athi yazini. Lies. Serious nyazi why nithi lies? Ngihlezi ngibukela ama live alo muntu yazi. Nyazi uthi ula. Bathi nginamanga abantu ababelieve. Bathi angazi ukuthi uyisitabani. Bathi bafo badeka. Ngithi ngiyazi ukuthi isitabani bheka bayahlela. Thank you. But you are so cute, dude. Mina ngidlalela ama team oyi2 bisexual guys. Wait, I wanna network after 9. Yeah, after 9. After 9 guys. Actually, Lona. Lol, you are in the same WhatsApp group. You are in the same WhatsApp group. Ngishele ngizokuqoma. Uyakhuzwa. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyakhuzwa. Unamanga ugeli lo obani wena. Uthini lona manje? No. Akusugeli lona bengikhuluma naye. Yo aniboni kanti? Tanio. Hey, hello. Umuntu lo live yakhe akana network. You not make sure nawe. I'm make sure I'm bisexual. Show me buya phela. Yeah, angangihaya yabona. You can hear me. Yeah, and vele yazi uyangizwa. Yeah, uyangizwa vele. Anginandaba. Ukusala naye yabona ukuthi ngibisexual. Nawe uyangifuna or nginamanga niboni guys. Uyangifuna lo muntu. Ngithe mangiqala ukuvela wavele wathula waphelela amagama. Nibonile nje. Is on a call. Ukhuluma nendoda yakhe. LED light. Yeah, LED light. Ayenzini? Chigo. But first time seeing him here, you smash. Yeah, vele nakapacisa ukuthi uyisitabane like. Mara mina like ngiqale ngabona ku Facebook yabona. What is your confidence for me? Now yazi. Bulangpilo guys, bulangpilo. I'm bisexual. Don't judge the book. But it cover. Nawe. Obvious, yazima indoda akumele usitshele yabona. Shokuthi wena imoto yazikhetha wena. Ayikho rude yazi. Don't be rude. Angikho rude. Why nithi ngirude manje? For mina nomjita wrong. Why so? Mara yena wrong yazi. Hayi no wrong, muhle kakhulu niyambona. Muhle kakhulu. I think you are being sexistic. You're being sexistic. Ayakuzwa. Hayi guys ngiyadlala mina ngikho bisexual. Yo naba abantu bangithatha serious. Le ndaba sebayithatha serious. Ngihleli nentombi yami la iloku yahleka la. Ukuthi hayibo. Hey hayi ndoda. Awudlali. Namanga vele. Hayi wena ke. Ubani lo? Minenhle. Na akasabuya intombi yami bafethu.
Joy ibile sham na iblanket khira dijo. I went to make food. Ah, I'm so sorry guys. Are you guys still here? Where's that guy? Guys, I'm ending the live now. I'll go live later. Ne. Yeah. Yeah. Bye.